back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Henry. Today we're going to be rating pistols 1 to 10 of power and accuracy. So first off, we're going to be starting with this one. Let's try it. It's kind of hard to aim with. We're going to be doing 3 shots for each gun. Yeah. Not bad the third time. I think you need to aim a little bit up with this gun, because it doesn't have a lot of power. Okay, not bad. Okay, I think that power is like 7 or actually 6. It's not that powerful, but I think the aim would be like an. I think the aim should be like an 8.5. I think the aim should be an 8.5. The only bad thing about the aim is that the power doesn't give it enough power to line it up with your target. But yeah, so I'm gonna give the aim 8. But yeah, okay, now we're going up to this gun. It might be a little upgrade, I don't know. This thing has like flat on the top, so you can't aim with it. Flat on the top. I'm just gonna hope something happens. Okay, not bad, not bad. Power is definitely higher than the last one. Oh, crossbar. Not bad. Power of 7.5. Not too slow, not too powerful. I'm gonna give the aim. It has no top, but if you kind of line it up with like the top of this, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna give the aim 6.5, actually 7, because like it's good, but it has no thing. So. Next up is this one. We don't even need to go get the bullets because it has 3 bullets. And I don't... Oh, it has an aim thing. I don't know if it's good or not. Here we go. Trigger's hard to pull down. Seriously, like, really hard. Trigger. Whoa! I couldn't even see where that went. But that explains why the trigger's so hard to pull down. I couldn't pull it down. Wait. I don't even need that bullet. Well, here we go. Holy! Hard! Holy! Why is that so hard? Oh my gosh. Let's just get this gun over with. Okay. Well, that trigger was really hard to pull down. I give the power an 8 out of 10. And I'll give the accuracy a 7. Okay, because when you have it right, it might not pull back because it's so hard to pull. Okay, now this one. This one is a rival. It is so powerful. Look at this. Look at this. So on this side, I know it has marker on it, ignore that. But on this side, so you can fit 2 bullets. You can fit 2 bullets over here, but there's no bullets in there. See this trigger? Pull it down, and this opens up, and you can put a ball in there. And there's already a ball in there. But this thing's power. It's got power. First shot. Whoo! Okay, right above. Right above. Not bad. Here we go. Again. Woo! I'm a little high. Okay, last shot of the video. Let's hope it's a good one. Ooh! Very good. But that gun, I rate the power 9.5 out of 10. I rate the accuracy 8.5 out of 10. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. See